Welcome back to this short course on technical analysis. Today I shall be talking about double top formation. Double top formation is a reversal signal or reversal pattern. Normally it is seen in a rising market when the bulls are in control of a stock and price is going up and up, and always there is a fight between bulls and bears. Bulls are trying to push the price up and bears are trying to stop and bring it down. So a time comes when a top is formed, bears becomes little active, it pushes it down, bulls are still trying, another top is formed, bear is trying that way, and then the downtrend continues. That's a typical situation where double top formation happens. So what I'll do is, as usual, I'm going to explain to you the concept on a whiteboard. Then I'll take an example and drive the point home. So let us get going. So as I mentioned, the double top formation happens in a rising market. So market is going like this, making successive tops and successive tops like this. So here each top is a potential opportunity for a double top formation. So unless the bottom is higher than the previous bottom, you can consider this. So you see here one top is formed here, other top is formed here, and the bottom is here. So this is the neckline of this formation, and the moment it pierces the neckline, it is a time to go short. Here we can go short. And then the price continues. So typically it is seen in a rising market and it is a weird reversal signal. Now couple of points here. Here in terms of size of this particular formation, this is the height which we need to look at, and this is the size or target we can put here. The moment it comes here, the target will be that way, minimum target, and then maximum can go anywhere. And for stop loss, typically, if there is a high like this and there is no high, then stop loss we put as this one, which could be very alarming, but that's the way. Here stop loss one can put here and then continue. So you need to look at double top formation also in conjunction with certain support level or support and resistance level. So let's say that for this particular stock or this particular entity, there is a support over here, there is a resistance over here, then this spot formation becomes very, very significant. If there is a resistance here, then this formation becomes very, very significant and the price has to come down. Also, we need to look at volume actually, because what happens is when volume is, normally during this formation, volume is low and then again volume starts increasing here. So this type of things, if you see, this means that double top formation has happened and it's a time to go short. That we should be very, very clear. So let us look with help of some example. So I am going to show you here a company known as Jyoti Lab. As I mentioned to you, this double top formation is witnessed across any time frame. It could be on a 5-minute chart, 10-15-minute chart, half-hour chart, daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart. That is one thing. Secondly, also you can see this in any market type, like it could be commodity, exchange, stock, or whichever market, or maybe crypto, any market, it applies equally well. So let us look at Jyoti Lab weekly chart here. So when you look at Jyoti Lab weekly chart, I am using trading view. So it's a Jyoti Lab weekly chart here. Now look at here. There have been price has been falling here. And this is a downward trend. Now again there is an uptrend over here. So when you look at the uptrend, these tops are made. So each top technically is a potential for double top. So this top and this top cannot be taken as a double top because this is pierced upper way here. This is exceeded upper way here. So again, one top is forming here, top 1 here and top 2 over here, let's say. So then what I am saying is this is T1, and then this is T2. So the way to look at it is whenever you are going in an upward trend, each top formation need to be watched very carefully because technically that is a potential candidate for double top formation. So each top, like this top, this top, this top, and then you have to select in such a way that after T1 and T2 the reversal happens. So here the first thing is to identifying the top formation. So in this case T1 and T2 is formed. Now the second important thing is once you see that this top is formed, then you have to draw a neckline. So neckline is typically like after forming top, this falls to this level. So that becomes the sort of, we can draw a neckline over there. So after forming top here, it comes to this particular point. So this becomes your neckline. Neckline is this one. Now, the moment, now here again, after this top is not broken, so this means the downtrend is likely to commence. So here, this becomes neckline. So the moment neckline is breached, so this is a time where you can enter the trade. But if you enter the trade at this point, this is the entry point of the trade, there is a fall up to only this place. So, like it just meets one T1. And in terms of target, when you look at the target of this particular selection, then target has to be top height actually. And this is your target line. So this is the target which you fix here. You have to take it little more up actually. You should touch the neckline. Drawing, I mean the way I am drawing, the little error in drawing. So you see almost target is met here. Target is met here. And then stop loss could have been put here. This becomes a point of stop loss. This is a stop loss point. So this is the way to track a T1, T2 and a stop loss, and then you trade accordingly. It may be a good idea to look at even other trends as I have been talking time to time. Like it may be very important if there was a resistance around this particular level. So normally if you see here, in this particular case, there could be resistance here. Like quite a few occurrences you see the price is moving from this point down. So if resistance and support line is also plotted, then this particular formation becomes very, very important, very significant for tracking and then identifying it. So friends, today what I have discussed is what is double top, when it gets formed, what are the implications of this double top formation, and how to identify double top, how to trade the double top, how to set target and support level. I hope these points are clear. In case you have any doubt, feel free to write back and I will be happy to revert. And I think one thing I like to ensure here, one thing I like to mention here, that trading is more of a practice and you will find your own pattern. So more you practice, more you will learn. Just understanding the concept doesn't guarantee making profit, by the way. So many times people get driven and they think that if I learn this trend, these particular patterns, then I will be able to make a lot of profit. That may not be true. This is just certainly an education. With this education, when you get into the field, you are more equipped and your chances of making profit are high. So obviously, you have to perfect your skill to make it better. Thank you very much for your attention and have a great day. See you in the next class.